Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to show coordinates in Minecraft Java. So this is actually going to be a very short tutorial, so I want you to take a look and follow along in this tutorial. So this is actually going to be a little bit different if you're going to use a laptop keyboard or if you're using a usual keyboard from your desktop computer. So this is how it will work if you're going to use a usual keyboard. All you have to do is go right to the F buttons and you're going to type F3. There you go, something like this should appear. Now, if you are using a laptop computer, it is going to be a little bit different. So for laptop computers, you have to press the Fn button and then the F3 all together. So this is how it will look. So as you can see here, there is something that says XYZ. So that is going to be our coordinates in Minecraft. And yes, congratulations everyone. That is basically how you are going to show coordinates in Minecraft Java.